Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install Pikashow in your Samsung Smart TV. So as you might know that this is a kind of third-party application, so how you can install it in your Samsung Smart TV. So make sure to follow this process step by step and you will be able to do it. And here are like two ways to install third-party apps in your Samsung Smart TV. And let's check. First of all, here is the complete summary of whole the process, what we will do. So first thing is enable developer mode in your Samsung Smart TV, and the next thing is select installation from unknown sources in your TV as allowed. And the third thing is as TPK files of desired apps through SBD in Tizen Studio. So once you do it, you will be able to do it. And if you want this process to be discussed in the complete process, so here is the detailed answer enabling developer mode in your Samsung Smart TV. So go to the Smart Hub in your Samsung Smart TV, select apps, enter the magic sequence 1/2, 1-2-3-4-5 from your TV remote or this on-screen virtual keypad, switch on the developer mode. So you'll be able to switch on the developer mode. And the next thing is permitting installation from unknown sources. How you can do it? Select settings from the bottom right corner of your TV, go to security, go to personal, and from that activate allow installation from unknown sources. And once you do it, you can just install the Pikashow into your TV. And once you install it, you can add it and install simply Pikashow in your Samsung TV. So that is a simple and easy process.